Hello guys, welcome to Adota Farm. In today's video we'll be talking about how you can practice irrigation farming if you want to plant your maize this season. This season should be the season of raining, and due to the climate condition rain is not falling that much. And how can we solve this situation? If you are a farmer and you wanted to plant maize this season and the rain is not falling, how can you solve a situation like this? This is the time that we can practice irrigation farming if only you want your farm to grow very fast. You need to practice irrigation farming in the sense that you will get your maize, the seed, then cultivate your land. After cultivating the land, then you plant your maize. You get a pumping machines that will be pumping water to the maize. You wait it for like how many for like 6 to 3 days. From there you see that your maize will start growing, and you keep on repeating that same pattern again until your maize grow. And maize is an annual crop, not perennial crops. They grow within 3 months. Within 3 months you can start harvesting your maize. And so as rain is not falling, you can see that the feed or the cost of feed is going higher day by day. Everything is high in Nigeria currently right now. So if you can't plant your maize right now, then you must apply the use of what irrigation farming. If only you want your maize to do very fast, and if only you want to sell maize, then you must practice irrigation farming. Like I said, it's a very simple thing. It's for you to get your land, get your maize, get your pumping machine or you pumping water to your maize day by day. Then before you know, your maize will start doing, and you start selling or harvesting your maize and you start selling it. And currently now a congo of maize is 350 thereabouts. Yes, when I asked, like 350. So if you have up to how many congos or how many trunks of maize, now you'll be making more money from it. And we can't do without maize, especially with farmer that has all those livestock that are raising livestock like poultry, bird, goat, pig, and the rest. We can't do without meat. Even as human beings, we can't do without meat. We eat meat a lot. We turn into different products and we consume them a lot. So we can't do without them. Those are the major farm that we does in Nigeria, starting from maize, cassava, yam, and the rest. So we can't do without them. So we must keep on practicing them, and we must keep on improving ourselves until we get the right type and the right step also. And we have different type of maize. So you can plant the sweet maize, the baby corn blue maize, the dent maize, the finite maize, and a lot of them. Whichever one that you plant and you think is okay for you, you can go for it and you choose it. And like you all know, in Adota Farm we are not here to deceive you. We are here to teach you anything that we think that is good for you and is going to improve in your farm. So please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when next we drop a new video for you. Please do well and like and share this video. Bye for now.